Today we are continuing with our long and short vowel sounds, and today we will be looking at the letter I, the long and short sound of the vowel I. Here we have a bottle with ink and we have an ice cream. So if we look at both words, they both begin with the letter I. But when we say the words, we hear a different sound. You hear I in ink and I in ice cream. So I is the short sound of the vowel I and I is the long sound of the vowel I. Here we have an iguana and an island. So again, both words begin with I, but you hear I for iguana and I for island. So I is the short sound and I is the long sound. We have an igloo and an iron. So I, igloo, and I, iron. Here we have the iron and the ironing board. So we are hearing I and we are hearing I. Here we have a pin, pin and lime. So here the I, it's not at the beginning of the word, but we can hear the sound. We hear I, pin, the short sound, and lime, we hear I, the long sound. Here we have a witch and the number 5. So we hear I in witch and we hear I in 5. So we have the short I sound and the long I sound. Remember, the vowel I has two sounds. It has a long sound and a short sound. The long I sound makes the vowel say its name, as in ice and 5. You are hearing the I. Here I have an exercise for you to do. I am going to put some words with the long I and the short I sound, and you have to put it into the correct column. So the first word is mice, mice, igloo, ice, ink, island, and Indian. You are going to pause the video, complete the exercise, and then move on to the next slide. Now it's time to check your answers. The first word, mice, we are hearing the long I, right? We are hearing I. Then we have igloo, you hear I. Ice, we are hearing I. Ink, I. Island, you are hearing I. And Indian, you are hearing I, the short I. So check the answers with the answers that you have in your book. I have come to the end of my lesson. Remember, children, always keep reaching for the stars.